Hi everyone, my name is Jennifer Guzman. This is my math mini lesson number 3. I will be doing it over greater than, less than, and equal to. The math standard is for kindergarten, so it is K.CC.C.6. The objective for this lesson is to be able to recognize if a group of objects is less than, greater than, or equal to another group of objects. And obviously this is for the students to recognize that. Some of the vocabulary we have is greater than, which means more, less than, which is smaller, equal to, which means is same, count, and then obviously alligator always eats the bigger number. So this is some of the vocabulary that I would be teaching my students. So for greater than, which means more, I'd be showing them things with like numbers. So here we have the number 4 and number 3. The alligator is eating the number 4. Also with objects, or like here that we have animals, there are more yellow chicks than there are blue chicks. And here you see how this little chick is saying there's more of us. So that's how I could teach it to my students, with either visualization with like numbers, or obviously with manipulatives in the classroom. Here we have less than, which means smaller, which is also something very similar to what I would do for what I did for greater than. So here we have a number 6 and a number 8. So the number 6 is a smaller, therefore the alligator is going to eat the number 8. Here we have some balls over here. There's 3 balls here, 5 balls here. The alligator would eat the 5 balls because it's greater than the 3 balls. So the 3 balls are less than. And that's how I could explain and teach to my students. Now moving on to equal, which means same. For this, I downloaded this worksheet that has these pictures of different things. Here we have some pots, some glasses, some tacos, hamburgers, sushi. So these are all equal to, because they're all the same amount of objects. So this one has 4, this one has 4, then the student, would do the equal sign. And then that's how I would explain to my students. So if there are groups of the same amount of objects or numbers, then that means that they are the same. Over here, we have some triangles, some smiley faces. So there are 6 triangles, 6 smiley faces. Therefore, they are equal. There are the same amount of triangles as there are the same amount of smiley faces. And that's how I would teach it. For their homework, I would just send them home with a worksheet similar to this. And what they would have to do would be, just draw the little symbol in these boxes. So these carrots, we have 2, 4, 6, 8 here, and we have 2, 4, 6, 5 here. So which one is greater than? The 8 carrots. So then they draw the greater than. Less than would be the other ones. And just like that for the worksheet, and that would be their homework. Or this could also be like an exit ticket. Yeah, and that's my mini lesson number 3. Thank you.